Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Sto RSI and Kijun Sen line. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Sto RSI and Kijun Sen line. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 39 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 470 indicators, with 193 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market, crypto, regular stock market, whatever you want. They're pretty much universal. All right, so today's indicator is the Sto RSI and Kijun Sen line. And you can kind of see it here on screen. Basically, what we have is a very minimally viewed type indicator here. Really all we have are these little triangles here. You can see them appearing below and above the price action. And so what we are looking for is when we get a triangle to the upside pointing down, then we are going to go short. When we get a triangle to the underside pointing up, then we are going to go long. And so that's what we're looking for. That's how we're going to test it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. Alright, so the first signal that we picked up was a long signal right here. So that price action comes down pretty quickly right there, stopping us out. Then we flip to a long signal right here as price action comes pretty much completely down and flips the signal to the downside, stopping that one out. And then this rounds up and starts to take off to the upside, hitting our stop on that one. Then we pick up a short right here before this really big jump in price action was also stops that one out. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so right here we pick up a short signal. Price action pretty much just rides sideways before it puts a signal to the long side right here. That one is able to get us to take profit. Then it flips to a short right here, which drops down really nicely, also getting us to take profit as it flips to a long signal right here. This price action takes off there really nicely. That one also gets us to take profit. So this one definitely is not out of, definitely not out yet. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, indicators, and exactly where they are entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see, and the patrons love being able to follow along with those trades in their own accounts. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we've tested, which we've recently had that moved over into an Excel sheet as well. And so you'll get an Excel sheet and a PDF of all the indicators showing exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. Shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. Our admin Rob is posting almost everyday scanner alerts. These are crypto and Forex scanners, his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets an alert to the scanner, he'll post it in the channel for all the patrons to see and be able to take advantage of those trading opportunities. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers, and together they are building a full suite of optimized profitable indicators, and they are giving those away to all the patrons for free. They're actually turning those into bots as well. Once they get that done, they'll be offering it to all the patrons as well. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Highly recommend it. All right, let's see. What do we get out of our indicator here? Everything in focus here. All right, let's count this out, see what we got. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So we have 21 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 winning trades. And so unfortunately that just barely misses that 60% criteria. It's a shame that it did so bad here in the very beginning, this really nasty cluster of losing trades. Then almost immediately just started picking up win after win after win. A couple of losers sprinkled here throughout, but if it wasn't for this cluster of losing trades right here, then this definitely would have met the 60% criteria. And so, yes, that is unfortunate to say the least. But for now, we are going to have to put this one on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.